Alright, this is a home tour. This is a property located in Clearfield. It's 429 Center Street. This is a triplex and this is going to be Unit 2 that we are going to tour today. Alright, so this is the entrance here. Got a nice, just grab a quick shot of the backyard. Really nice big backyard here. Lots of space. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath unit. Alright, so we walk through the front door. We've got the family room here, and then the kitchen just off to the left. Got a nice big storage pantry right here, tile flooring, and vinyl plank here. This is the kitchen. And then we've got a hallway here. And just off to the right here down the hallway is the bathroom. This has a shower only in the bathroom. And then we've got the toilet here. All right, down the hallway we've got bedroom number 1 here. Just to the left, we've got a closet here. And then bedroom number 2. This is a good sized bedroom. And we do have a ceiling fan in this room. Alright, that's it for this unit. This unit is available to rent now. If you'd like to apply, please visit our website at nvpm.com. You can submit an application or schedule a showing there.